Okay guys, just a little update. So, nagsara na lahat ng dining area. Ayan. Wala na matira. So, seryosohan.
A few inches later.
Yung dalawa, busy sila naglalaro.
We're cooking something.
Ganyan ang mga laruan nila, ano? Tignan nyo naman. Ayan, mga pakol-pakol. Spatula. Lahat galing sa kusina. Bumili pa kayo ng laruan. Hindi na lang dapat. Ang mga gamit pang kusina na lang. The Lord.
1 hour later.
Ano pa nalagay mo dyan, te?
I'm putting all my stuff here.
Hala! Lahat na binubos dito.
Pressure.
Ay, I know. There's a treasure there. There's... How much? How much was in there?
24.5.
24.5. Oh, matinag ito. Oh,
It doesn't fit.
yeah. $24.5. Pag-tape.
There's squishy mom.
Ano po?
Squishy mom.
Pag-tape.
Squishy mom.
Nilalagay mo na naman dyan.
This is a really good.
Aming nga, wala na nga. Hala! Na! Niraili na! Give ako eh!
You have to put on your clothes. Not in here.
Bakit?
Not here.
Why?
Because this my drawers.
That's my drawer. Excuse me.
They're all mine. Beyond's drawer. It's Tita Mi's drawer.
But most likely it's your drawer now because like all of your things is in there. Don't you have a space?
You put on here.
Mm. Invasion. Room invasion. Pagtay. Nasa'yo yung lahat ng suklay. Kaya wala tayong suklay. Kinukuha mo lahat. Ay, nako. Ala! No! Really?
This is terrible. This is
That's enough na. Lahat naman na nilagay mo dito. Wala. You want to have your own room?
I finished. I'm putting all my toy here because I'm finished.
Nilalagay mo dyan.
I was using my helmet wanted to go outside and bicycle Saturday.
On Saturday?
Yeah.
But there's coronavirus outside, so you cannot go bicycle.
Let's wait the virus to go away later.
There's a virus outside still.
I'll put on my mask and go outside and check virus if it's here.
You won't be able to see the virus. You will just gonna feel it. Because it's a virus. It will attack your cell, like inside your body. What do you want to eat?
I want to eat noodle.
Noodles. Okay, let's go cook noodle.
Can you use your robot to look at me?
No. Okay, let's go cook. Pakan niya pusa.
Because I call Lexi the Yum Yum. Because I call Lexi to feed this. Lexi, I'll feed you.
What does yum yum mean?
It means to talk anyone.
No?
Kasi yum yum. Thank you, kuya. Thank you po.
You're such a nice kuya. You're feeding your adding.
Should I get to it? Why is doggy so?
When you feed doggy ka nunod. Pretend. See?
Lexi, yum yum.
Just kidding.
Just kidding. Lexi, yum yum. Aw, thank you, kuya.
Best race ever because race the
Nabayag na nga baga.
The next day.
Okay guys, good morning! So, tapusan nila yung pintuan. Okay. Meron silang bagong project na naman ginagawa. Ano natin? Nagagawa ng quarantine. Ayan. They're making shelves. Say hi! Hi! Gawa sila ng sagana. Wah!
Di ba mo?
Ay, may corona. Di ba ba? Gawa sila ng hagdanan dyan. They need to transfer all of the shelves dito sa kabila. Chos! Para magkasya yung yan ni kuya. Tapos ito yung ano ko, yung baon ko mamaya. Itlog at kamatis. Tapos nalagay ko ng super daming asin. Kaya yan, dumami yung itlog. Chos. Nagana sila kakapi muna tayo kakain. So I have, ito yung niluto ko kanina. It's just same thing as yung kung ano yung papauwi ko later for work. So yun.
Pretty!
Pretty!
Pipi! Pretty! Okay lang. Pretty! Stop pretty!
Baliktad mo to! Mana kuryente. Fish. I'll feed you fish. Come on, baby.
Pretty! Kunang mga pipi!
Piti! Do, mathematics na yan pa. Wow! Mathematician! Laing Mr. Spider-Man! Spider-Man! Whoa! Oh, oh, oh! The Spider-Man! 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 Naman si Black Spidey. Black Spider-Man. Naku, delikado. Mat na yan. Mat na yan.
Throw some glitter on it.
One eternity later.
Hello guys! So, just a little glimpse on what happened last night. As in, grabe talaga. Like, kadiri yung babae kasi nagtawag ako ng police kagabi kasi ayun nga, nagwawala si ate. Pinapalayas ko kasi siya sa hotel kasi hindi naman siya guest dito sa amin. Tapos magsunog pa siya dun sa washroom, as in sunog. So pakita ko yun sa next clip kung ano yung ginawa niya.